If you want to add a slide in LibreOffice Impress quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to insert a new slide into your presentation using both the menu option and the keyboard shortcut. This is a basic but very useful skill, whether you're building a school project, a business presentation, or just learning LibreOffice for the first time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look to the left side of the start screen under Create and click on Impress Presentation. This will open in a new presentation file where you can start working on your slides. If you already have an existing presentation, you can open that file instead. The process works the same either way, so you can add a new slide to a brand new deck or to one you've already been editing. After your presentation is open, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see a menu called Slide. Click on Slide to open the available slide options. From the drop-down menu, choose New Slide. As soon as you click it, LibreOffice Impress will insert a new slide into your presentation. That's it. Your new slide is now ready for text, images, charts, or anything else you want to add. If you prefer using the keyboard, there's an even faster method. You can simply press Ctrl M on your keyboard, and LibreOffice Impress will create a new slide instantly. This shortcut is especially helpful when you're working on a larger presentation and want to speed up your workflow without moving your mouse back and forth to the menu bar. Once the new slide appears, you can click inside the placeholders and start typing your content. You can also choose a different layout if you want the slide to look a certain way, such as a title slide, a content slide, or a slide with images and text side by side. LibreOffice Impress gives you flexibility, so adding a slide is just the first step in building out your presentation. If you accidentally add more slides than you need, you can always delete them later. But for now, the key thing is knowing how to insert one quickly whenever you need it. That simple action can save time and keep your presentation moving smoothly. So to recap, open LibreOffice, go to Impress Presentation, open your presentation, click Slide in the top menu, then click New Slide. Or, if you want the fastest option, just use Ctrl M. In a few seconds, a new slide will be added to your presentation. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.